Hello there and welcome to my workshop, and I have some lovely news for you regarding CARVECO, and that is Friday next, which is the 25th of November, which is Black Friday. They have another Black Friday sale on, and there's some really big savings this year. So I'm reading off an email because I just received it. There's also discounts for Maker Plus for the yearly subscription, and the big one is again this year you can purchase CARVECO Maker Plus outright for $9.99. which is a really good deal. That's let me see, I think that's 25, something like 25% off. And of course, I will leave you a promo code underneath this video, which is my promo code, where you get a little extra off those prices as well. So you're in a win-win situation, whether you are already a CARVECO user or whether you become a new CARVECO user. And of course, the buying CARVECO Maker Plus outright is a absolute bargain, because that program, you can actually construct 3D reliefs, you know, from your own drawings. You can draw a shape and bring it up into a 3D relief. CARVECO Maker you can't do that with, but CARVECO Maker has over 600 reliefs built into it, as indeed all the programs from CARVECO do. And don't forget, my promo code also applies to the professional CARVECO program. You get a discount off that as well using my promo code. And as far as I'm aware, you can only use my promo code at the accompanying address with that promo code. In this Black Friday sale, my promo code may work at the CARVECO main screen then, or at their website. But normally my promo code only works with the accompanying address with that promo code. So it's a little bit extra you get on top of these very, very good savings. So that's the CARVECO Black Friday, but it should be Black Friday Plus sale, I think, because it's, what is it, 4 days. So go and have a look if you're interested, and don't forget, use the promo code and get yourself a bargain. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.